If you are running an actual revenue-generating online business, you are likely paying what I call the tech stack tax. You're paying over $100 a month for a funnel builder, another $50 for email automation, a separate fee for course hosting, and more money just to link them together. Before you even buy ads or pay yourself, your business overhead is burning hundreds of dollars a month. In this review, we are looking at Systemi.io from a purely business and ROI perspective. We aren't looking at this as a casual hobby tool. We're analyzing whether this platform has the infrastructure, speed, and automation capabilities to run a serious six-figure digital operation while wiping out your current software bills. We are the Techno Galaxy, and let's get straight into it. Let's talk about scalability. A cheap tool is expensive if it breaks when you send traffic to it. Systemi.io's funnel builder handles high-volume traffic effortlessly. The drag-and-drop editor allows you to build high-converting landing pages, long-form sales pages, and multi-tier checkout systems. But the real value for business owners is the native optimization. You can add one-click upsells, downsells, and order bumps directly on your checkout pages. On platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, adding these features requires paid plugins. Here, it is completely built in. More importantly, the automation engine is enterprise grade. You can build advanced visual workflows. For example, if a customer abandons their cart, you can automatically trigger a specific email sequence, tag them based on the product they looked at, and remove them from your general newsletter list, all without needing a single third-party integration like Zapier. If you sell digital products, consulting, or memberships, you need a system that securely delivers your assets. Systemi lets you host unlimited video lessons, structure modules cleanly, and drip feed content over time to protect your retention rates. But the biggest hurdle for an established business moving to a new platform is the fear of migrating data. If you have hundreds of existing customers or a massive email list, moving sounds like a nightmare. Systemi solves this by offering free professional migration and their annual business plans. Their team will literally move your entire funnel structure, your email lists, and your courses over to their platform for you, ensuring zero business downtime. Let's look at the financial data, because this is where the platform becomes an obvious choice for serious operators. Established funnel builders start their entry plans at around $97 to nearly $150 a month, and they severely limit how many funnels or domains you can use. System.io's premium plans, like the startup or webinar tiers, cost between $17 and $47 a month. These plans unlock massive limits, allowing you to run up to 10 separate funnels, manage 5,000 to 10,000 active buyers, and use custom domains. For an established business, making the switch instantly drops your monthly operational costs by 70% to 80%, instantly improving your profit margins. Now, to keep this review completely objective, who should not buy this platform? If you are a massive venture-backed corporation that requires hyper-complex CRM tracking or deep programmatic data segmentation, you will likely still need a tool like Salesforce. The user interface here is designed for speed and practical deployment, meaning it favors clean efficiency over overly complex micro-level custom coding. But if your goal is an agile, highly profitable business that converts traffic into cash efficiently, those enterprise features are just expensive bloat anyway. My final verdict: if you are tired of paying a massive tech stack tax every single month to multiple software companies, migrating to Systemi.io is a financial no-brainer. It secures your infrastructure, simplifies your workflows, and protects your margins. If you're ready to scale your business and cut down your software overhead, I've placed the direct link to their business plans in the description box below and in the pinned comment. If you select one of their annual products, you can even request their team to handle your entire migration for you for free. Click the link in the video description box down below to get started. Hit the like button if you want more profit-focused software strategies, and I'll see you in the next walkthrough.